Hey everyone, welcome back to CreditScore Finance, where we simplify money. Today I'm sharing one mistake that might be silently destroying your credit score. You've heard about credit scores, but did you know one small mistake can seriously damage your entire financial health? Yes, I'm talking about credit utilization. If you're using 90% of your credit card limit, even if you pay it off in full, your credit score can still drop. Experts recommend keeping your utilization below 30%. So if your credit limit is $10,000, try not to spend more than $3,000 at any time. And the biggest factor? On-time payments. Just one missed payment can knock your score down by over 100 points. So, if you want to hit a 750 plus credit score, spend less, pay on time, and monitor your credit report regularly. Follow CreditScore Finance for simple, smart money advice that works. Now tell me, have you ever used more than 90% of your credit limit? Drop your answer in the comments.